Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Erector sets are probably one of the most versatile and enduring toys ever created, offering kids a unique blend of engineering challenges, creative expression, and hours of hands-on fun. These aren't your average building blocks. Erector sets challenge young minds to design, construct, and even deconstruct intricate structures, fostering problem-solving skills and a deeper understanding of mechanical principles, all while sparking their imaginations and providing a rewarding sense of accomplishment. Number 5. HISTOYE Building Toys. It has 113 pieces to build various car models. This is a great way to keep kids engaged and away from screens. It can be assembled into 5 different car types. This helps stimulate imagination and hands-on skills. It's powered by batteries, 2AA, not included, making it more engaging and realistic for kids. This toy encourages teamwork and enhances bonding with friends and family while having fun. It has smooth edges, is non-toxic, and meets safety standards like ASTM and CPC. All parts are stored neatly in a box. What we like. It has various car models you can build with 113 pieces. The battery-powered feature adds to the fun and realism, making it more engaging for children. If you are looking for a fun and interactive building toy that encourages creativity and problem-solving skills, this is a great choice for your kids. What people say. The kids love the set. I ordered a second set so they can do more items with the kit. Kit comes with a build book that keeps them busy and they can use their imagination even more. The fact that you can build 10 different cars from this. Many build-your-own car sets are one and done, so we are getting a lot of mileage out of this. The flexibility and durability of the parts. The instructions are easy to follow. Instructions are clear, step-by-step images, and the pieces are sturdy. It comes with 2 tools like a wrench and screwdriver. That is all that you need, works well for smaller hands. The finished product looks like a nice race car. Nothing too childish, which he liked as well. Number 4. Metal Model Kits for Advanced Builders. This metal model kit lets you create amazing robots or excavators. It's a challenging and rewarding building experience for all ages. Looking for a unique gift? This Erector set is perfect for advanced kids, teens, and adults who love a challenge. It's a fantastic way to foster creativity and problem-solving skills. Detailed instructions make assembly simple, but feel free to get creative and design your own creations. It's all about having fun and exploring your imagination. It's made of almost all metal parts, resulting in a sturdy and impressive finished product. Display your masterpiece with pride. Enjoy quality time with your child as you build together, or take on the challenge solo. It's a great way to bond and unleash your creativity. With 389 pieces, the possibilities are endless. Build the suggested models or create your own unique designs. Let your imagination run wild. What we like. This advanced set boasts 389 metal pieces and allows you to build either a robot or an excavator. The metal construction creates a high-quality, durable model. If you are looking for a challenging and rewarding building experience with high-quality metal parts, this is perfect for older children and adults. What people say. His main comments were that it wasn't a toy, it was a machine. It was perfect for him. It was hard to assemble, but that's the point, hard as in challenging, not something wrong with the set. He was able to assemble the robot with no adult assistance. He was delighted with his accomplishment. I'm hoping it will be educational and that he will have as much fun working with it as I had when I was a kid 70 years ago. Number 3. Erector Set STEM Toys. This toy helps kids develop essential skills like hand-eye coordination and problem-solving. It's a great way to encourage creativity and teamwork. It's made with child-friendly materials that have passed rigorous safety tests, so you can have peace of mind. Plus, it's easy to clean. Looking for a gift that sparks learning and fun? This is it. It's perfect for young builders and engineers. Kids can follow the instructions or create their own designs. It's a great way to boost their imagination and problem-solving skills. We've updated the instructions to make building even easier. Step-by-step guidance ensures a smooth building experience. It's a fantastic way to introduce children to STEM concepts in a fun and engaging way. Watch them learn and grow. What we like. This set contains 236 metal pieces and focuses on educational benefits, improving hand-eye coordination and problem-solving skills. It's made from safe, washable materials. If you're looking for a durable and educational building toy that promotes STEM learning, this is an excellent option. What people say. The kids took off and built and disassembled and built again. You can really be creative and build so many things. My STEM students love this set. They were able to use their engineering knowledge to create and build. Number 2. 18-in-1 Erector Set. This amazing set fosters creativity and problem-solving skills. It's perfect for sparking a lifelong love of building and engineering. With 175 pieces, the possibilities are endless. It allows for countless creations and hours of imaginative play. It's more than just a toy, it's a fun way to learn STEM principles. Kids develop problem-solving and critical thinking skills. Suitable for children aged 6 to 12, it's the ideal gift for birthdays or holidays. It's easy enough for beginners but challenging enough to keep them engaged. Watch your creations come to life. The unique pullback function adds an extra element of fun and excitement. It encourages creativity and independent play. Kids can build whatever they imagine, fostering their imagination and innovation. This isn't just a one-time toy, it provides hours of entertainment and learning. It's a gift that will keep them busy and engaged for a long time. What we like. With 175 pieces, you can build 18 different models. The pullback function adds an extra element of play. If you want variety and engaging play, this is the set for you. Number 1. Erector STEM Building Set. This amazing building set sparks imagination and engineering skills. It's perfect for young builders who love to create and invent. With this set, your child can build 5 different models. It's hours of fun and learning all rolled into one. It's not just fun, it's educational. This set helps develop problem-solving skills and introduces basic engineering concepts. Watch as your child's creations come to life with the included electric motor. The possibilities are endless. With 113 pieces, it provides countless opportunities for building and rebuilding. It's a gift that keeps on giving. Designed for a wide age range, it grows with your child. It's suitable for both younger and older children. What we like. This set offers 113 pieces and 5 different models to build. It includes an electric motor for added interactivity. If you want a fun and engaging building experience with an electric motor, this is a great choice. What people say. This construction set is perfect. My son is 8 but is just beginning to build these types of models. It was perfect for him to hone his skills and he was able to assemble a couple of the different options. In the 50s, every kid in America had an Erector set. Made of real metal, they lasted forever, and provided hours of fun for girls and boys interested in engineering. Plus this comes with its own stackable toolbox with handle and wheels. Not only did this product arrive on record time, but it was packed with care, and all the pieces were there. It was just the right difficulty for my 9-year-old grandson. Well made, too. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.